The first sense you develop is touch. Your sixth sense is intuition. Now both make sense on your PC. Just a few years ago, you couldn't stroke your screen and expect a response. But a Kiwi company has put the personal back into PCs.
What we did is introduce the multi-touch to the mainstream.
I think that shift is probably like going from black and white television to colour, or from traditional analogue TV to digital. There's really two aspects to how we do things at Fingertaps. One is the technology smarts underneath the applications that you see, and the other is the Fingertaps applications themselves.
Fingertaps was the world's first commercially available multi-touch software. Released in 2008, it's now quietly dominating the very competitive interactive software market. Their major deal with Dell, one of the world's largest computer makers, sees them shipping globally.
Instead of being on tens and hundreds of thousands of devices, now on millions of devices around the world. And that's a huge game changer for us. That's really taken us to the next level.
Changing PC gaming was a motivator from the start. People tend to think of the iPhone for touchscreen devices, but actually Fingertaps got there first.
It's been great for us having Apple kind of popularising this whole concept, because we've been doing it for at least 2 years before the launch of the iPhone. And that then what they've done is really driven that market and got everyone excited. But because their ecosystem is closed, we've got the opportunity to serve all those other companies who are trying to compete. So it's been great for us. We're trying to take things, I guess, beyond what we've seen in other devices as well. So we're trying to use effects in cinema where you change the focal depth of the camera. So you're able to focus the viewers on a certain depth plane within the scene.
With funding support from the Ministry of Science and Innovation, Unlimited Realities has kept refining their software to reach new levels, and fans.
We actually do testing on what people feel comfortable doing. Dwelling, clicking, dragging, moving your hands. This new range of software, it's targeted at family users.
Correct. High five.
Education's always been, I guess, really of interest to me in particular. Both my parents were teachers. I think the idea that computers are for everyone is something that has been very dear to my heart.
This year, Unlimited Realities sealed a partnership with multi-billion-dollar chipmaker AMD to supply Fingertaps software to many more computer producers. With the tablet computers market expected to grow by 10 to 15 times in the next 5 years, potential feels unlimited.
We already run on Windows tablets, and now we're working on running on Android tablets. And in the long term, we may well go out and work on iPads as well.
Oof. Best of two.
The idea is to add that kind of interesting physical response, that ability to directly manipulate the content, and graphically rewarding.
Yeah, I think David's built some cheats into this.
We think that that can apply to all types of software. It's been quite eye-opening for me that being groundbreaking in the Manawa 2 was a nice start, but onto the global stage, it still stands out. And if you're achieving something that's amazing locally, it could well be amazing globally. And I think touch is the start of the next revolution.